Hi, I'm Erin for Plusright Australia, and I'm here to show you the Plusright range of EV chargers. Available in either single or three-phase power models, the Plusright EV charger is perfectly placed for residential and commercial installations. For convenience, the chargers include a 6-metre cable length, a Type 2 charging connector, LED charging status indicators, emergency stop, and RFID cards for access control. These features make the Plusright EV charger intuitive and convenient for end users. As an additional feature, Plusright EV chargers also come with a dynamic load balancing or DLB module. The DLB ensures that power needs are not compromised and the power supply is not overloaded when charging. It works by prioritising power to appliances or machinery when they're in use, and then back to the EV charger when they are idle. The Plusright EV chargers are IP65 rated. They have voltage, current and lightning protection, as well as short circuit prevention for your peace of mind. The included smartphone app shows you everything you need to know and is used to view charging status and data, schedule charging, configure the DLB module, prevent theft, and update the firmware. Plusright EV chargers are available as a single-phase 7.4 kilowatt model or as a three-phase 22 kilowatt model, depending on the available power supply. Installation by a qualified electrician is required and typically takes 1 to 2 hours depending on the configuration and product familiarity. For further information on Plusright EV chargers or anything else in our range, please contact Plusright Australia today.